how big it is here. I'm not taking the hook out though, that's all you do.
Yeah.
I got that beaver set. I can't cut the line. My pop and I come down here in February every year.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It is so damn cold.
Yep.
Oh, it is so bitter cold.
Yep.
It's like the 1 month of the year where there's not 100 people on the river.
Yeah, that's the only time I haven't fished here was in the winter, in the dead of winter.
But the midges are great. Let's go move down this way.
Oh, wow.
Keep the line. Move down this way. That's a nice fish. Get a big one. Real.
Oh, that is a nice one.
Yes!
Oh, nice!
my work is done.
Oh, man.
That's awesome, man. The best part is before you touch them for the picture, you got to get your hands wet. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Beautiful rainbow, man. Here you go. That's a nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
You spit it? Got one in the second half of us right side. Easy, buddy. Yeah, that's the one. Man, right beside of the yacht, huh? Hold on a second. There you go, right here. It's on the right-hand side. Or would it be my right? Here, mine's here. Oh, they're really smacking those little midges pretty good.
Yeah.
I'll stand here all day. Come on, buddy. Hold on a second here. Let me see that. That is a nice bow.
Yes. Oh, did you get the stuff out?
Picture? That's 20. Damn near 28. Probably 4 pounds.
All right.
Dang, buddy.
That's a good one. Oh, good catch.
Tip, please. That was pretty damn good.
That was good.
Good reaction, dude.
All right. You ready for a still picture?
Yep.
All right.